Kinumpirma ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAOC ang umanitangkang panunuhol na manahuling POGO executive sa sinalakay nila na hotel dyan sa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Sa buong kwento, makasama natin si Sus Valdez.
Mas naging matibay ang ebidensya ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAOC na guilty sa iligal na gawain ang kamakailang sinalakay nilang Pogo Hub sa Lapu-Lapu City sa Cebu. Ito ay matapos magtangkang lumusot umano sa batas ang pinaniniwala ang may-ari ng tourist garden resort na si Zhao Lao sa pamamagitan ng panunuhol sa mga operatiba. Sa panayam ni PAOC spokesperson Winston Casio sa Billionaire News Channel o BNC, ibinuking nito na 3 beses sinubukang aregluhin ng Pogo official ang kaso.
We were not only able to neutralize 1, but we were able to neutralize 3 scamming companies within the same Pogo compound. We were able to catch the owner of the Tourist Garden Hotel. And mind you, this guy is obviously guilty. He has already attempted to bribe me 3 times as of last night. He made his 3rd attempt to bribe me to allow to just let him go. So obviously this guy is caught red-handed. And 4, if I'm not mistaken, 4 different Chinese managers, team leaders, were caught in this particular operation.
Sa exclusive video ng BNC, makikita dito ang naging pagpupulong ni Casio kay Zhao matapos nilang i-raid ang lugar, kung saan isang dalagita na sinasabing apo ni Zhao ang tila naging negotiator ng mga Pogo bosses.
He want to ask like, did you have another way to can like fix this problem?
No.
Tiniyak ng PAOC ang pagsasampa ng kaso kina Zhao at 4 pang Chinese nationals na tumatayong team leader or manager ng umano'y Pogo Hub. Ako, si Sus Valdez para sa Kwentong Politika.